Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to connect Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 11 laptop. Whether you are using Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headphones, the pairing process on Windows 11 is the same. So let's start the process. First, you have to click on this network or sound icon. So click on this network or sound icon. Here you will see this option Bluetooth. First, you have to enable the Bluetooth. Okay. After that, click on this arrow button. This will manage Bluetooth devices. Click on it. After that, click on this option more Bluetooth settings. Click on it. So this will open this kind of screen, Bluetooth and devices. But if this option is not working or this option is not available in your laptop, in that case you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now on the left side, click on this option Bluetooth and devices. So click on Bluetooth and devices. This will show you this kind of screen. First, you have to enable the Bluetooth. Okay, from here in this devices option, click on add device. Now take your earbuds out of the case to put them in pairing mode. Then click on this Bluetooth option. Windows is now searching for your Bluetooth earbuds. So my Bluetooth earbuds are now showing here. Click on it. So this will start connecting the Bluetooth earbuds. It's done. Your device is ready to go. Click on done. So my Bluetooth earbud is connected. It's showing the battery percentage of my Bluetooth earbud. You can also connect or disconnect this device from here. You can also remove this device from here. After that, go to this devices option. So click on this arrow key. So this will show you your Bluetooth earbud. So this is my Bluetooth earbud here. Click on this down arrow key. Then click on this option advanced sound properties. So click on it. In this advanced sound properties, click on this volume option. Click on this down arrow key. And here you will see these two options, left channel. So you can adjust the left channel or the right channel volume from here. Okay. And there are some more options you can see. So this is how you can connect your earbuds or your Bluetooth headphones to your Windows 11 laptop.